Hello boys and girls, this is Mr. Bedley, and today we're going to learn to solve word problems involving multiplication and division. Going to treat different problems differently. You have to really think and understand the problem clearly before you know what to do. For each problem, decide which operation, that would be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, will be used. Write a statement to solve the problem. In other words, show your work. First one's done for you here. Gus walked 5 miles a day for 3 days. How far did he walk in all? Well, we could either use addition or multiplication, or we could use addition. If we want to multiply, if you did the same thing for 3 days, we do 5 times 3, 5 for each day times 3, 15 miles. Or we can add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 15. I would say that this is the more efficient way of getting the answer. Don't forget your label, 15 what? 15 miles. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, and right here in this blank you're going to write the symbol, plus, minus, times, divided by. You're going to write one of those symbols in there, and then in this spot over here you're going to write the answer, and then up in here you're going to show your work on how you get the answer. So pause the video, turn it back on after you've done just number 2. Alright, what you should have done, 12 cookies were divided equally among 3 children. If you're dividing the cookies, then you're dividing the cookies, and you're going to put a division symbol right there. 12 cookies divided among 3 children, and that's equal to 4. It says how many cookies did each get? So you have to write 4 cookies. Alright, pause the video, go ahead and do 3 and 4. Turn it back on when you're ready for the solutions. 4 friends each ran 2 miles. How far did they run in all? So you have 4 different friends doing something 2 miles each, and so you can either put addition here or you can put multiplication there. And you would do 4 times 2, I assume that most of you would do, because that's the most efficient way. And then you'd write 8 miles. Number 4, 3 brothers caught a total of 15 frogs. If they each caught the same number, how many frogs did they catch? So you're going to be doing 15. Oh, and this is divided by, and you're going to divide that by 3, or right down here would actually be probably a better place to write it. 15 divided by 3 is, of course, 5, and they each caught 5 frogs. Don't forget your label now. Alright, here's a couple of problems for you to try. After you solve those, make sure you add up the check answer over here, that comes out. All you have to do is show your work down here and then put the answer on the blank with a label. Show your work down here. So pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solutions. The 3 children each caught 2 fish. How many fish did they catch in all? So you have 3 kids catching 2 fish each, and that's a total of 6 fish. There we go. And Max divided 20 pens equally among 5 children. How many pens did each child get? We have 20 pens being divided by 5 kids, and that means each child gets 4 pens. And then you should have added 6 plus 4 over here to get 10. Now the last part here is some basic fact practice. I want you to do these as fast as you possibly can, and then pause the video while you're doing that. Turn it back on when you're ready to see what the solutions are. Alright, you should have already solved all those. I'm going to show you the answers right now, and then you are going to check your work. So you're going to want to pause. Go ahead and pause the video and check your work on those math fact problems right there. And there you go. Alright, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.